So kasama natin ngayon si Abigail Go, isa sa mga medalist po sa Masters 269 kilograms women's category sa nagdaang SBD Nationals dito po sa Quezon City, and we will tell us nga yung naging assessment at sa kanyang performance at anong significance itong pagsaling ito sa kanyang powerlifting journey. Ma'am, welcome sa Sports Corner. First of all, kamusta preparations natin para dito sa inyo? Paglawak nga dito sa Women's Masters. By the way, what's your age na pala?
50 years old.
So 50 years old na pala at golden girl ka na pala, but
Yes.
still going strong para sa iyo. So despite being 50 nga pala, unti-unti nga lumalakas o you're going stronger nga pala when it comes sa preparations na rin. Alam ko, matagal nang inaabot ito para lang maabot yung forma ninyo para dito sa competition. Can you tell us more?
Well, kailangan lang talaga determination, consistency talaga sa training mo. Dapat consistent ka, yun, determined ka talaga doon sa kung ano yung gusto mo ma-achieve during this competition.
Okay, so in your performance na doon sa both squat, bench press, and deadlift, what can you say about your performance? I'm sure maraming natuwa sa naging performance, and of course the audience likes you, and even yung mga masters natin na despite being age nga pala, they are continuously showing national records na rin. So your assessment po?
Yes, actually ako, personally, masaya ako doon sa mga naging result ng ginuhat ko. Happy ako. I could have done better pa, pero parang aim ko talaga is to get 9 out of 9, pero well, nagkaroon ng konting problem. So, okay din naman. I'm still happy.
And of course, you won the gold medal
Gold medal.
from that competition, and
Yes.
happy kami for your club na
you.
meron kayong pinagmamalaki na medal nga doon sa Women's Masters. So, what can you say? What's the reaction ng audience and even yung mga club members na rin? By the way, mention na rin yung club ninyo.
No, I'm individual.
Ay, individual?
Yes,
So,
yes.
yung friends and family ninyo
Yes.
na sumuport.
I'm with my husband right now. So, yeah, thankful ako for the support ng husband ko and my kids who's watching.
Oo, and of course, may mga nilook forward ba kayo ng mga sasaliang competitions in the future na maaaring
Maybe next year na ulit. Next Donuts na ulit.
So next year ka pala
Yes,
babawi.
next year.
Pero ang goal ninyo tinatarget is to have your national record attain or igitan pa lalo.
Yes, sana mas mataas pa. Mas malaki pa yung mapubukan.
By the way, outside of powerlifting, ano yung pinagkakabalaan niyo?
I do events. I'm an event coordinator.
So, in what particular events po?
If you're familiar with Tamiya cars, the Tamiya.
Tamiya!
Yes.
Napipicture ko lagi sa Sports Corner yung mga Tamiya
Yes.
races, lalo na yung sa Taiwan, no?
Yes, yes.
Yung national team na nag-represent lagi.
Yes. Ako yung official coordinator nila for the...
Dapat pala imbitahan kita soon sa mga programs namin when it comes nga doon sa
Invite
Tamiya
ko rin
racing.
kayo to watch
Calling
the
on the
event.
coach
Siyempre, yan kita sa MB later.
Casamayor.
Lastly,
Please
Women's
proceed
Month
to
is
the
coming
table officials
right
area.
right
Again,
May.
yung coach po,
Actually, ngayon yung Women's Month, ano
Casamayor.
yung importance nito
Pupunta lang po
na
dito
mga
sa
kababaihan
table
natin
officials area.
na lumalaban
Wala
sa
pa
mga
kayong
powerlifting
squat
competitions?
rack height
Basta sa lahat
at
ng girls,
bench rack
get
height.
strong. Alam niyo yun, get fit,
Salamat po.
lift heavy. Yun.
Okay, may mga gusto yung
In just a
pasalamatan.
short while we will start.
Thank you to SBDPH for this very nice
And we're on our
event.
last minute to change
Alright,
your
thank you so much. Ay,
starting
friends and
weights
family
and
nyo.
starting
My husband, kids,
rack
and my
heights.
in-laws.
Thank you
And
so
friends.
much and congratulations.
Bye-bye.